Hello everyone. Uh, we are members of Team Heart and we have participated in Code Utsav, and our team members are Nilesh Kumar, Saurabh Mishra, Tushar Singh, Vipul and Manshika along with me. And our problem statement was image recognition of fish species and estimation of the proportion. So our main idea for this project was our main goal was to automate the process of fish stock assessment and overcome the limitations of manual monitoring and reporting. And in order to solve the problem, we have divided into two parts. And the first one is image recognition for species made available in database, and second one is estimation of the proportion. And so our solution for this was a deep learning model that implements recognition of different species of fishes in a given image using YOLO V5 detection model, and it also outputs the count of species of fish. So our main motivation behind this problem was that India has a vast area surrounded by water bodies, and most people are also dependent on seafood. So our solution provides easy fish stock estimation, and also it helps in research purposes as it provides data of various species found in different areas, as currently India lacks the data in research regarding seafood. It could also help in estimating diversity of fishes in particular water body. It has both commercial and research benefits in this way. So technologies used for this are YOLO V5 detection model for detection and classification of fish, and HTML CSS JavaScript front end, and Flask for backend. And our CNN model, we have made it using CNN model, and which has three layers: input, hidden, and output layers. And this is the YOLO V5 detection model works stands for You Look Only Once, and it divides the images into grid system, and each cell in the grid is responsible for detecting objects within itself, and it is faster than RCNN and RCNN. And instead of selecting interesting parts, we predict classes and bounding boxes for the whole image in just one run of the algorithm. And so we typically divide the cell into 19 into 19 grid, and each cell is responsible for creating 5 bounding boxes, and our task is to predict a class of an object and the bounding box specifying the location. So this is our model. It takes a pre-processed image, does the reduction, divides it into boxes, and then produces the results. And this is our front end part of the solution, which we will see later on in the working. And our model has various practical uses. It can be installed in the cameras at the harbor where species may be identified by AB, and the AI and the procession can be estimated with minimal manual intervention. And thorough knowledge of the fish diversity habitat requirement is essential to the management of fisheries and conservation of species and aquatic environment. And the underwater image processing is always in high demand, especially the fish species identification. This activity is though important for biologists and scientists, but it's also important for educational purposes. Thank you. And our working model is currently this one. Uh, this is the we have launched the server on this one, and this is our currently we are working it on localhost, and so this is our URL. So when we see our URL, this is our front page, and it has an option of uploading a file. So we can choose a file, and when we click on get results, we get the result of identified fishes and species, also with their proportion, how many category of which species and fishes are there. So yeah, that was for our project. Thank you.